tomorrow. But first up, let's talk about this decline in a more granular way. Talk about the stocks that moved. Vivek, over to you.
Well, absolutely. Like you mentioned, the Nifty Bank, the small cap index was something that kept the sentiment subdued throughout the trading session. But, some sectors, some pockets of the market did do well, some pockets of the market, especially in the defensives. So the first set that did quite well was the hospital stocks. Remember, last couple of weeks on the back of news flow regarding standardization of rates, the entire pack fell. But today, a lot of them saw significant bounce back. In fact, Narayana Health up over 7% in the session. Moving on, even the healthcare pack, so even the pharma pack did quite well. In fact, the top 5 large cap names or the top 5 pharma companies in terms of market caps, all of them ended with gains, not significant gains, but all of them in the range between 0.5% to close to 2%. The other stock on the radar, or the other set of stocks, was the entire capital goods pack. So they too saw quite a bit of positive sentiment, aided by the fact that ordering activity continues to remain robust, especially when looking at Kalpataru Projects, KEC International, both of these stocks ending over 5% even in today's trading session. The other stocks too, the big names, the big large cap capital good companies too managed to end the session with some gains. The next stock is NLC India. Today was the day for retail to go ahead and subscribe to the OFS. The cutoff price too was quite strong, and along with that, some positive news flow too. So on the back of that, NLC India is the stock we're talking about today, ended with gains of over 6%. The next stock, Torrent Power. Every time there's news flow in this particular name, the stock does see significant reaction. Today, a PPA with the Maharashtra Discom cooled off from the day's high, but despite that, this is positive, and stock on the back of the renewable energy arm of the company getting a PPA did see some up move. Astec Life Sciences, again, in the broader end of the market, is one that we didn't discuss too much, but the stock gained almost 8%, aided by very strong export data. So that is also something that worked out. But on the other hand, you did mention banks, you did mention small caps, but it was one particular pocket or one particular group that did see significant profit booking. It was expected given the news flow over the weekend, but have a look at the entire Tata Group stocks. In fact, Tata Chemicals taking it on the chin, down over 10%. All the other stocks too that rallied in the week gone by did see a bit of profit booking. Couple of stocks, news regulatory action on these stocks, those stocks too, important to note, did see significant selling pressure. JM Financial down 9%. IIFL Finance, that particular stock too sold off after even more regulatory action. And the last stock, Gensol Engineering, this particular stock, a lot of worries on the name in terms of the price action, but in the last 8 to 10 trading sessions, the stock has given up over 20%.
Thanks a lot for that, Vivek. Nice crisp list that you brought for us. Well, let's get in our